In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Opera GX. So when in Opera GX, you need to click on the icon and go to Update and Recovery. Now, as you can see, the Opera browser is looking for updates. There's your version displayed, the one you have now. So let's wait till it finishes searching for them. Okay, so it has found some, and to update we have to relaunch now. And the Opera GX is relaunching, and in a moment we should get the confirmation that it was updated. So let's hold on for a minute. Okay, the version is now a different one, and it's still checking for updates. Okay, another pop-up saying that the browser has been updated, and there are some new features available. Let's go again to the update and recovery and check whether it's up to date, and it says it is. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.